Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the parts and prepping the 3.5 mm jack so you can solder cleanly. Once done, strip about 5 mm of insulation from each wire and tin both wire ends and jack contacts. You solder the sleeve ground, first to avoid accidental shorts, then attach tip and ring to left/right audio outputs on the Bluetooth module. Make sure connections are secure. Weak joints cause noise and intermittent audio later. Now you assemble the Bluetooth board and provide stable power. Once the module is mounted, route the antenna away from metal to keep range optimal. Then hook left/right audio and ground to the jack. Double-check the module pin labels before soldering. Add the power switch and battery connector in series with the plus lead and verify the rail voltage with a multimeter. Most modules require around 3.5 V. If the module has gain or filter pads, adjust them now to avoid clipping. Finish by testing and enclosing the assembly so it's robust for regular use. You pair the module with your phone and play stereo audio, listening for channel balance and any hiss. If levels are low, check gain settings on the board. Once satisfied, mount everything in an insulated enclosure, strain relieve wires with hot glue, and close it up. If you encounter problems, first verify battery voltage and ground continuity, then confirm L/R wiring. Swapping.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.